Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about top 9 nutritional benefits of eating sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes aren't just delicious, they're packed with nutrients that make them a must-have in your diet. Often confused with yams, sweet potatoes are actually from a much older plant family, tracing back to prehistoric times in Ecuador and Peru. Here are benefits of sweet potatoes. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Sweet potatoes come in all sorts of colors, and purple ones are packed with antioxidants that fight off free radicals, which can damage your cells. 2. Vitamin A powerhouse. Just one baked sweet potato gives you 160% of your daily vitamin A, which is great for your eyes and skin. 3. Boost of beta-carotene. The deep orange color in sweet potatoes means lots of beta-carotene, an antioxidant that can help protect against illnesses like cancer and eye diseases. 4. Easy to cook, healthier results. Baking is the best way to keep all the good nutrients, like beta-carotene, in your sweet potatoes. Simple and healthy. 5. Cancer-fighting compounds. Sweet potatoes have a special protein that has shown promise in stopping the growth of some cancer cells. 6. Packed with vitamins and minerals. High in vitamin C, potassium, and calcium, sweet potatoes support your immune system, regulate blood pressure, and strengthen bones. 7. Blood sugar friendly. Unlike regular white potatoes, sweet potatoes are lower on the glycemic index and have more fiber, which means they won't spike your blood sugar as much. 8. Fiber filled and satisfying. They're full of fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full longer, perfect for anyone trying to cut calories. 9. Iron boost for vegans. Sweet potatoes are a great source of iron, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Paired with vitamin C, your body can absorb that iron more efficiently. Though they're a holiday favorite, you can find sweet potatoes year-round in supermarkets, both fresh and canned, and in products like chips and frozen fries. Enjoy them year-round and reap all the benefits they bring. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.